Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In today's quick guide, I will show you how to turn off notifications in Slotomania. If you're tired of constant pop-ups or alerts while you're busy, this simple setting will help you enjoy the game only when you want to. So let's get started. First of all, launch open Slotomania app on your Android or iOS device. From the home page, tap the three horizontal menu buttons at the top right corner and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, go ahead and scroll down to Notifications and toggle off the button right next to Notification to turn the notification off. This will stop the app from sending you alerts. That's how you successfully turn off notifications in Slotomania. Now you can enjoy the game without interruptions and play only when you want to. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more quick guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.